Hello students, welcome. Today we will learn to derive the formula of composite mean. So let's start. We have already come across the formula many times while doing numericals. The formula is given as x bar equals to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. We will derive it in a step-by-step manner. Let there be two groups of variables, namely x1 and x2. Then the mean of x1 group will be represented as x1 bar, which is equals to summation I equal to 1 to n1 x1I divided by n1, where n1 is represented over here, which describes n number of observations in group 1. Where similarly we get the mean of x2 group, that is x2 bar equals to summation j equal to 1 to n2 x2j divided by n2, where n2 is represented over here, which describes as the number of observations in group 2. What will we do now? Now we will bring the two means of two groups x1 and x2 together, and we write both the values like this. Now, to proceed in the next step, we will multiply n1 and n2 with their respective means, and then we obtain these two values. We will take the equation on the left hand side as equation 1 and the equation on the right hand side as equation 2. Now, as we have to find the combined mean, it will be expressed in form of x bar as the total number of observations of both the groups are n1 and n2. They are also needed to be added up to get the average of the two groups, which are x1 and x2. Here we will use equation 1 and equation 2, which we have already derived over here and here, just to substitute the terms in the numerator, which is this. Now, by substituting the values, we get n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. And over here, we will write x bar. Now we know how to derive the formula of combined mean. Hope you all have understood the derivation. If yes, drop a like.